TCC and Wireless Zone are two of the Verizon Big Six agents. We manage over 1,200 stores across the U.S. under multiple business models, corporate-owned stores, sub-agent dealers, and franchisees. Really, it was customer expectation. There was a lot of frustration, the whole physical barriers between customer and associates, that we think resulted in lost sales. There was employee frustration with duplicate entry across multiple systems, and we think that had something to do with employee turnover, general alignment with our carrier on the customer experience. And being a technology company, we needed to stay current and maintain a competitive advantage. And upgrading to a modern payment solution and mobility was just fundamental to that.
Traditionally and before, you saw the desktops, and those are behind a counter. Those are barriers, and I think that's the viewpoint, that those are barriers. We want people to come outside of that. We want it to be more open. It just makes it a much better customer experience. You can greet the customer, you can walk around the store with them, talk about different accessories, different phones.
It's really good to help with the personalization of the sale, because you're not sitting across a desk from someone, you're sitting side by side with them. It really feels like you're making more of a personal friendship sale.
Surveys have shown us that our customers prefer the mobile experience, and we've seen that translated in increased revenue. The experience is more personalized, and we've seen our Google review scores go up consistently.
The better your sales system is, the quicker you're going to be able to get the customer in and out the door that way.
The speed of the transaction had dramatically improved. The average time previously of a transaction was well over an hour. At this point, speed is not an issue. It's almost too quick now as we try and manage customer needs with all the products and services we have to offer.
iQmobile is very, very simple. It's very, very quick. The integration is very, very fast.
We consistently hear from our store associates how easy the product is to use, how it enables them to operate an efficient and provide a quality customer experience. In addition, the integrations with our carrier and other third parties greatly simplified and improved our data entry and quality. We've seen a 50% reduction in new store and ongoing cost of in-store technology based on using, a minimum set of desktops, really scaling the solution with iPads. Also using the wireless payment devices allowed us to go from a 1-to-1 ratio to a 1-to-3 ratio, and that offered significant savings. We've seen a $9 to $11 increase in revenue per sale when a transaction is done using iQmobile versus the desktop. Our standard store runs 4 iPads, 2 desktops, a scanner, and 2 payment devices, which greatly has simplified our support and lowered our cost. Across our over 500 plus TCC stores, we see about 75 to 95% of our transactions done on iQmobile. It's been such an enjoyable and rewarding experience, I think, working with our partners, our carrier, IQ. Having a partner who's so well versed in the industry that we know supports over 20,000 stores, multiple carriers, allows us to benefit from those industry best practices that you recognize and build into the software and allow us to take advantage of. I really think we're just getting started with great things to continue to come.